Will AI replace the DJ? Or the mobile DJ anyway? I have no doubt that artificial intelligence can DJ. I have no doubt a computer could do it. But will it replace what we do as, let's say, wedding DJs? I don't know if you've been following this or not, but it's a big topic right now. There's a lot of robotic stuff out there, along with a lot of artificial intelligence stuff like ChatGPT. You can ask it about anything, and it gives you a pretty good answer to the question. So, everybody in every industry is starting to defend their positions. Some people are really worried because they really feel like that this artificial intelligence could indeed replace their job. And, I don't know a lot about how this stuff works. But let's pretend for a minute that artificial intelligence could do all of the things that we do as DJs except better. Let's just take that position. Don't worry about how it does it. It just does it. It analyzes the room, comes up with the best spot to set up the equipment, tunes the system for the acoustics of the room, determines the best sound system depending on what kind of activity that you want to have going on at your event. Is it a social event? Is it a rave? Okay, let's build a sound system for it and tune it for optimum success for the type of event you want to have. And it does all the emceeing, and it does all of the programming and keeps the dance floor going all night, or knows when to change it up and picks the exact right song for everybody in the room. It's just scanning the room constantly, checking everybody's emotions somehow, measuring blood alcohol levels. I don't know how it does it. I don't care. It just does it. It does it better with more success than I could do it. Maybe it's using like a hologram of some real famous person from the past and their voice, and they're actually kind of DJing for the audience. Who knows? Let's say it could do all of those things. The argument could be, if it could, yeah, could definitely replace the DJ, no problem. Here's the one thing that came to me. So the first thing we got to do is forget about the artistry of it. Just put that aside and pretend that somehow it can effectively do it better than you as a human being. Here's the problem. Now, artificial intelligence is controlling human beings. And I don't think that's going to be a very popular thing going forward into the future. People are already getting very defensive against AI. The last thing they want AI to do is tell them how to feel and how to act and direct them to do things, especially in their leisure time. Are you kidding me? Now, I can see AI doing things like body scans on people and saying, okay, yeah, we detect this problem. There's the possibility of a heart attack, so we're going to repair that artery. We also see these precancerous cells. We're going to destroy them. Oh, this guy had a stroke. We're going to repair his central nervous system. And somebody who is a doctor okays all of these procedures, and it happens. And that's a wonderful thing. It's assisting human beings. But when it comes to controlling humans, when to dance, when to drink, when to sit, when to eat, when to laugh, I don't think this is going to be a very popular thing. So for that reason, I'm not feeling very threatened. I saw The Matrix, didn't you? That's it, guys. Just a quick video for you today. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Practice and enjoy.